Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make question paper in 2 minutes with Canva AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and click on Create a Design to start a new project. This will give you a blank workspace where your question paper will be generated and edited. Next, go to the Quick Actions section and select Canva AI. This tool allows you to generate structured content like questions automatically. Enter clear instructions about the subject, difficulty level, and format you want. Being specific helps Canva AI produce accurate and well-structured questions. Once you generate the content, review the questions carefully. Check if the difficulty level matches your needs, and ensure the wording is clear. If needed, regenerate the content or make quick edits directly in the text. Now, refine your question paper. Adjust wording for clarity, make sure each question has consistent formatting, and confirm there is only one correct answer per question. For subjects like math, verify calculations, and for theory-based topics, check facts and terminology. You can also rearrange questions or modify them to match your curriculum. So that's basically how you can make question paper in 2 minutes with Canva AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.